So also let's talk more about this thing. Like, a lot of people take things personally in a conversation, and I think I also watched one of your reads which went pretty viral, where you mentioned how to not take things personally. So, like, a simple question: how to not take things personally?
See, why do we take things personally? We take things personally because we think ki this person's behavior is a direct reaction to who I am as a person. But that's like completely false. Their behavior is not a reaction to who I am as a person. This person's behavior is a reaction to how they're feeling about themselves on that day. So let's say if I'm driving, right, and I don't know how to drive, but let's say if I'm driving and I'm stuck in traffic, Bombay mein, okay? Now I'm stuck in this traffic for about like an hour, but I had a good day. So I'm just gonna, blast some music, my favorite music, and time pass 1 ghanta karke, then I move. Tomorrow, I'm stuck in the same route, same traffic, same car, same time, same situation, but आज मेरा mood बहुत खराब है. Something, I had a fight at home, or like my boss yelled at me, or something like that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll the windows down, I'm going to honk at everybody, I'm going to yell at the guy in front of me and the guy beside me. Same external situation is the exact same, lekin how I am behaving is completely based on, if not completely, mostly based on how I'm feeling about myself and my life on that particular day. Just because I yelled at the guy in front of me or at the guy beside me, it's not going to make the traffic move any faster, right? And it's not even their fault. वो बेचारे ऐसे ही खा गए, right? So if that guy had taken it personally, that, oh my God, she yelled at me, I'm so incompetent, how could I not move the traffic further? Doesn't make sense, no? So most of us, most of the times when people say or do something, it has much more to do with them than it has to do with you. And आप अपनी लाइफ का कोई भी ट्रैजिक एक्सपीरियंस लेके आप सोच लो, when you had the worst fight of your life, right, worst argument of your life, and it's very heated. Your person, this other person that you're arguing with, they might be saying like a lot of mean things, a lot of hurtful things, but most of it is an attempt to make themselves feel relief. It is not a statement about you. It is about their pain. And like, जैसे बच्चा होता है ना 2 साल का, do you have kids at home, like nephews, nieces, anybody?
Yeah.
You do, right? So when I have a 2-year-old nephew as well, right? So वो ना बहुत extroverted बच्चा है, बहुत happy go lucky, very like loves people, until you don't give him what he wants. Okay, then what he's going to do is he's going to lie down on the floor and yell and scream and like refuse to get up until you listen to him, until you give him what he wants. So we are pretty much, children in grown-up bodies. When my nephew is throwing tantrums and throwing things at me, let's say, and like doing, you don't look at the kid and say that this kid hates me. No, the first thing that you think is कि अच्छा इसको भूख लगी है, इसको चोट लगी है, इसको गुस्सा आ रहा है किसी चीज़ पे. I'm not bad. This kid is in pain. And most of us are like that. So any attempt at saying nasty things, जैसे हमने बिल्कुल शुरू में वो बात की ना कि कोई भी तरीके का excess behavior is an overcompensation of something else. It is the exact same concept. That if I'm saying hurtful and mean things to you, it is an overcompensation of the extreme anxiety, pain or nervous and whatever it is, whatever negative feeling, name it, that I'm feeling. It's an overcompensation for that I need you to hear me and listen to me. ये चिल्लाना, चीखना, ये सारी बातें करना या जो भी है, being rude and all, is an attempt attempt from my end for you to see me, acknowledge me. So the moment that I realized that, I stopped taking things personally. And ये ना मेरी अपनी लाइफ में सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे तब समझ में आया जब मैं स्पीचेस देने लगी स्टेज पे, स्पेशली कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स को. ठीक है, that is the trickiest group to talk to, and I've learned my lessons in my own ways, right? College kids just don't care. They don't care who you are. They don't care आप कहाँ से आए हो, क्या बोल रहे हो. अभी उनको मन है सुनने का तो सुनेंगे, नहीं मन हो गया सुनने का तो you have to work really hard to keep them engaged. And I learned a lot of things in that process as well. College students, if they're yawning while you're speaking, if they're looking at their phone, it's very easy to take that personally. Yeah, am I being boring? Yeah, is this talk not engaging enough? While that can be a possibility, but if you've prepared well and you know what you're saying, right? And at some level professionally आप समझ में आ जाते हैं कि आपका level, आप किस level से आप बोल रहे हो, how engaging it is, da. Now द अदर पॉसिबिलिटी ये भी तो हो सकता है ना कि रात को सोया नहीं है, बच्चे ऐसे ही 4-4 बजे तक कॉलेज किड्स घूमते रहते हैं बाहर, नहीं सोया है, ठीक है, या घर पे किसी से झगड़ कर आया है, ठीक है, लुक मे बी टेक्सटिंग और फाइटिंग विद हिज बॉयफ्रेंड और गर्लफ्रेंड ऑन द फोन. इट्स नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट अबाउट मी एंड माई कॉम्पिटेंस, इट इज़ अ स्टेटमेंट अबाउट देयर लाइफ. इट्स लाइक अ मूवी. हम जो मूवी देखने जाते हैं तो हमको एक्सपेक्टेशंस देकर नहीं जाते ना. हम मूवी कितनी भी अमेजिंग हो, व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट मूवी, लेट्स से द वन दैट यू वर, 3 Idiots, राइट? तो 3 Idiots लगभग 2.5 घंटे की मूवी है. आप बैठ के 3 Idiots देख रहे हो, अब आपने हर एक सेकंड में तो बहुत अमेजिंग रिएक्शंस नहीं दिए होंगे, राइट? आप कोई सम मोमेंट्स वर लाइक ओके यू आर गिविंग रिएक्शन, सम मोमेंट्स यू जस्ट सिटिंग विद अ पोकर फेस, बट दैट डजंट मीन दैट द मूवी डिडंट लीव एन इम्पैक्ट ऑन यू. I have to look at the cumulative message that this thing is giving me.
एंड बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हमें ऐसे लगता है, एज यू राइटली सेड, कि हमारी वजह से ही कुछ हुआ है, बट देयर माइट बी हंड्रेड्स ऑफ अदर रीजंस विच माइट बी गोइंग ऑन इन द अदर पर्सनस माइंड, एंड वी थिंक ये मेरी वजह से हुआ है, या तो मतलब वी प्लेस अ लॉट ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस टू आवरसेल्व्स इज व्हाट आई फील, एंड डोंट रियलाइज कि बहुत अलग रीजंस भी हो सकते हैं फॉर देम नॉट टू पे अटेंशन एटसेट्रा व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग.
Yeah, this is very what you said right now, and I talk about this effect like everywhere, is the spotlight effect. कि हम as human beings, we are all egocentric creatures, all of us. That's just wired for us, right? तो हमें क्या लगता है कि we are all moving all the time, you know, with an imaginary spotlight on us. तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि कोई कुछ भी कर रहा है, कोई हमारी तरफ अगर थोड़ा लंबा किसी ने देख लिया, या हमें देखकर अगर कोई हंस रहा है अपने फ्रेंड्स में, तो वी आर ऑटोमेटिकली अज्यूमिंग दैट इट इज़ अ स्टेटमेंट अबाउट मी. उनका कोई इनसाइड जोक भी तो हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, राइट? सो सी देयर आर पॉसिबिलिटीज, इन्फिनिट पॉसिबिलिटीज. हो सकता है येस यू आर लुकिंग डम, प्रॉबेबली, right? But like if like there's a group of teenagers at the mall, maybe I'm looking funny that day, and they look at me and they're like laughing apne andar mein, right? Maybe that is a possibility, but there's also a possibility that, you know, it's an inside joke. Okay, whatever it is, I have to pick the reality that I want to live in and then operate based on that. एंड ऐसा नहीं कि मैं डिल्यूजनली रियलिटी पिक कर रही हूँ. आई हैव द इंफॉर्मेशन एट हैंड, राइट? आई हैव दीज इंफॉर्मेशन पीसेज दैट आई हैव माई ओन लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस दैट आई नो, आई हैव एवरीथिंग एट हैंड. उसके बेसिस पे आई मेक अ चॉइस ऑफ द रियलिटी दैट आई वांट टू लिव इन, एंड देन दैट्स वेयर आई लिव. That's what I decide to believe.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.